Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Container Store loyalty card with the Instacart app. So first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner, then find where it says add loyalty cards. Then scroll down and then click on the Container Store and click on add card. So this is where you can either link your existing account or sign up for a Container Store loyalty card. Next, another way to do it is that if you exit out of here and then search the store Container Store, if you click on Container Store, it's going to take you to this page here. Towards the top, you can also click on Add Loyalty. So once you do so, it's going to redirect you to the same page, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Container Store loyalty card with the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.